Alright, we just got the Ironwood 885 set up. We did the 350 burn in, and then I just ramped it up to 500, and we're sitting at 506. It's probably about 50 degrees out here, the wind's blowing, and this thing is fast. It heats up quick compared to my other grill. And I had a whole bag of pellets in here. That's all we've used so far. It's working good. Got the front folding shelf for this bad boy. See how that thing works. I'll just lift up on it there, lift up on it there, and fold it out of the way when you want it to be. Then flip it right back into place. That's going to be handy, man. Way handy. You can smell the new burning off of here. And this exhaust system is so cool. That's what I was really excited about for this grill, is that exhaust system, the downdraft exhaust. So more to come on this grill. We're gonna let it burn in, and then we're gonna cook some pork chops and steaks tonight. I just made a quick rub for it, so we're excited to try her out. And then this weekend we're gonna be cooking all sorts of stuff. Traeger 885.